The school bell rings, signaling the end of the day as students pack their bags with eager anticipation. Miss Zara smiles warmly as she hands out homework sheets, a final task before the day's end. Zara looks down at her homework, her shoulders slumping slightly as she sighs. Zara exits the school gate with her friends, distracted by her homework. Zara sighs. Homework again. Boring. Zara walks home with her friends, her backpack slung over her shoulder, complaining, "Why do we even need homework? I already did enough at school." Zara arrives home, casting her bag aside without a second glance. She seizes the game controller, her homework forgotten. Zara immerses herself in the game, oblivious to everything else. Zara's little brother sits absorbed at the dining table, his brow furrowed in concentration. He looks up, questioning, "Zara, aren't you doing your homework?" Zara nonchalantly replies, "Nah, it's not that important." In the quiet of her bedroom, Zara is alone. A mysterious light fills the room. It's the homework fairy. In Zara's softly lit bedroom, the homework fairy appears, her wings shimmering as she floats gently. "Homework is more magical than you think, Zara," the homework fairy says. Zara, surrounded by books and papers, looks up, questioning, "Really? How?" The homework fairy waves her wand, and the classroom shimmers with ancient light. Great scientists and inventors didn't just learn in school. They practiced at home, honing their skills and expanding their knowledge. The homework fairy gestures, revealing a classroom of the future to Zara. Light shimmers off chrome surfaces in the sleek, empty classroom. Zara's eyes widen in disbelief as she whispers, "I don't remember anything." Zara sits among her classmates, unaware of the impending academic storm. The teacher's words slice through the air, a surprise quiz. A collective groan erupts, signaling the students' dismay. Zara's eyes widen in panic, revealing her unpreparedness. Zara stares blankly at the quiz, the questions blurring into an incomprehensible mess. Zara watches her friend complete the quiz with ease, a confident smile gracing their face. "That was easy. I revised it in my homework." Zara feels a wave of embarrassment as she struggles with the quiz questions. Zara approaches Miss Zara's desk, the setting sun casting long shadows. Zara asks, "Miss, is homework really that important?" "Yes, it helps you remember and understand better." Zara sits on her bed, engulfed in shadows, as the homework fairy and Miss Zara's words echo in her mind. The weight of their advice settles heavily on Zara's shoulders. Zara arrives at school, her steps firm with newfound resolve. Zara sits at her study desk at home, a picture of pure joy as she tackles her homework. Colors dance across the page as she sketches and draws, occasionally calling out to her parents for help. Upbeat, cheerful music fills the room. Miss Zara beams at Zara, her smile lighting up the classroom. "Excellent work, Zara. You've improved so much." Miss Zara praises, her voice filled with genuine warmth. All eyes turn to Zara, the quiet murmur of the classroom fading into hushed anticipation. Zara stands among the towering bookshelves, a warm smile lighting up her face. With a playful glint in her eyes, Zara asks, "Want me to show you how I made homework fun?" Her friends gather around, curiosity etched deeply on their faces. Zara and her friends unite, surrounded by books and papers, embarking on their homework club with a blend of nervous excitement and unwavering resolve. Zara passionately outlines the plan, her gestures filled with enthusiasm as her friends listen intently, their nods signaling a shared commitment to conquer their assignments together. In Zara's dream, the room glows ethereally, illuminating Zara as she sleeps. The homework fairy appears, her voice echoing with praise. "Well done, Zara. You found the magic in homework." Zara appears on the ending screen, illuminated by the monitor's glow. Zara exclaims with a smile, "Homework isn't a chore, it's a superpower. Try it and see the magic." Words of wisdom light up the screen. Always do your homework. It helps you grow smarter every day.